Guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way. Before we start today's lesson, I have 3 questions from 3 different people. The first one is from Joel. So Joel wanted to know what I want to touch you is in TWI. He just wanted to find out if what he got was actually correct. So I replied telling him that there are 3 possible ways. There are actually numerous ways of saying it, but I gave him 3 ways that he could actually say it. So I want to touch you. The general one would be Mepɛsɛ, mede ka. So Mepɛsɛ, mede ka literally means I want to touch you. That's a general one. Or the literal meaning would be I want to touch you with my body or myself. That is Mepɛsɛ, mede ka. You can also say Mepɛsɛ, mede ka, which is basically say I want to touch you with my hand. Or you can say Mepɛsɛ, mede so, which is I want to hold you with my hand. So those are the 3 ways that one can say it. So hopefully that works. Then the other message was from Sasa. Sasa wanted to know if the word way actually has 2 meanings. Well, way in general in TWI is this. That's way. But the thing is, this can be said in different ways in TWI. So if I were to say, fa way mame is give me this. Way is this. So fa way mame is give me this. Then I can also say fa adeɛ mame. Now adeɛ is an object or thing. So if I say fa adeɛ mame, I'm also saying give me this thing. So this can be represented in numerous ways, right? So way in its essence is this, but this can be represented in different ways. Then the last one is from Elizabeth. So Elizabeth wanted to find out what don't touch that with your hand is in TWI. Ɛnfa so adeɛ no. So what she wrote was correct. And the second one was go wash your hands with the soap. Or go wash your hands with soap. Go wash your hands with soap is fa samina hohoro. So what she also said was correct, 100%. And she wanted to find out the spelling. So what I wrote was samina was SAMENA. And she said when she checked online, it's actually SAMINA. The thing is, they're both correct, right? But the preferred one is the second one, her version. But for pronunciation's sake, right, people usually use the E instead of the I. So she was correct in all essence. So before we start, I just wanted to mention these 3 things. As I always say, if you have comments, please send it through. I'll read them out. And if you want me to translate something, I'll translate something for you. If there's something I need to rectify, I'll rectify it. So with that, thanks guys for actually reaching out. And I really appreciate it. So with that, let's start the lesson. Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi and I'm back with Nanti again.
Hi.
And today she had objects, a list of objects she wanted me to say the words in TWI and actually add a few sentences to each of the words, each of the objects. So yeah, what did you want to know?
Okay, today I actually wrote down everything that I want to know because sometimes you forget what you want to ask. So I have a little pink slip as well. So the first one that I actually wanted to ask was bucket.
Bucket.
Yes, how do you say bucket? Mm-hmm. And later on then I'll just ask you what the sentence actually, yeah.
Okay, cool. So bucket in TWI is Bokiti.
Bokiti.
Yes, that's bucket.
It's almost like Tonga where you say bagit.
See? African languages.
Yeah.
They're close.
Yeah, very. Okay, and then how do you say bring me that bucket? Or bring me the bucket if I'm mopping and please bring me the bucket. Bring me the bucket.
Okay. Bring is, bring me. We do have bring me per se, right? But when we say bring me something, right? We say you have to say pick up first, like fa, which is take and bring, right?
Okay.
So that would be fa bokiti no bremi. So fa
bokiti
no bremi.
No bremi.
So bokiti is the bucket. Mm-hmm. So fa bokiti, it's like take the bucket and bring it to me. Nafa bremi. Or you can say
fa bokiti
you can say fa bokiti no bremi. That's the easiest one. So take the bucket and bring it to me.
Okay, that's good.
Fa bokiti no bremi.
Fa bokiti no bremi.
Yes.
No?
You don't have to put na.
Oh.
You can say fa bokiti no bremi.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's easy enough.
Yeah.
This is a bucket, darling.
Yes, it's on.
Yes. Okay, the second one is umbrella.
Umbrella.
I have an umbrella, very nice one.
Okay.
So, I know this is like a different umbrella, but there we go. What would you call an umbrella?
Umbrella in Twi is Kyineɛ.
Kyineɛ.
Kyineɛ is umbrella in Twi.
Chidi or chini?
Ni.
Kyineɛ. Okay. And how do you say it's raining, so take an umbrella?
So, okay, Nsuo is water, right? To is like, retɔ is almost like falling. It's falling. So, rain to us is like water falling, right?
Okay.
So, to say, what was the question?
It's raining, so take an umbrella.
Okay, you'd say, osuo retɔ.
Osuo retɔ.
Inti fa Kyineɛ.
Inti fa
Kyineɛ. Yeah, so it's raining. Nsuo retɔ is it's raining. Inti is like so. So it's raining
nice.
so. Fa, which is like take. Kyineɛ, which is umbrella.
Nice.
So nsuo retɔ. Inti fa Kyineɛ.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is book.
Book. Oh yeah.
Book.
Okay.
How do you say book?
Book is Nwoma.
Nwoma.
Hundreds. You said it right.
I think you told me this before. Nwoma.
Nwoma is book in Twi.
Okay. Okay, so read your book.
Read your book will be kind wo Nwoma. No.
Kind,
which is read. Wo is yours or you.
Kind wo.
Nwoma.
Nwoma.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So read your book.
Ah, that's good. Okay, the next one. Let me see if I have it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it would be chair. Chair. Well.
Okay, we're sitting on a chair, so to speak.
Yeah. What would chair?
In Twi.
Yeah, be.
Okay, a chair is akonnwa.
Akonnwa.
Yeah, akonnwa.
Akonnwa.
Yes. You're actually getting better at it. Yes. Akonnwa is chair.
Okay, and how do you say sit on a chair?
Okay, Tena is basically sit.
Tena.
Tena is sit. Akonnwa is chair. So is on top.
Oh.
So on top. So Tena akonnwa so. Sit on the chair. Yes.
Oh, nice.
So Tena
Okay.
akonnwa so. Sit on a chair or sit on the chair.
Oh, nice. Okay. Now this next one, I have it. Please bear with me.
Okay. She came prepared.
What is a hat?
A hat is Ɛkyɛ.
Ɛkyɛ. Ɛkyɛ.
Ɛkyɛ.
Okay.
Yes.
So wear your hat.
Wear your hat. Share is wear.
Share is wear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Share is wear, right? Wo is your. Chair is hat. So share wo chair. Share wo chair. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Share wo chair.
Share wo chair.
Yes.
Okay.
So share wo chair is wear your hat.
Wear your hat, and then now I've gone and messed up my hair. Okay. Then the next one would be grass for me. I want to know what grass is.
Okay. Grass can be said in three ways. So the most general one would be Nsinsan.
Nsinsan.
Yeah. Nsinsan is grass, or other people would say Enura. Enura is basically garbage. It's like garbage, right? But some people, when you say Enura, depending on the context of the conversation. So if you are in the house and you ask me to take out the garbage, you'd say Kwesi Falmurano, like Kwesi take the garbage. I'll know that you're talking about garbage. But if you tell me Kwesi go cut the grass, we'd be like, Kwesi kotwa nwura no. I know that you're talking about grass, right? Then a lot of people, well, not a lot, some people also consider grass being esre. Esre is like bush. So depending on what you're trying to say. So it's like go to the bush and cut stuff. So it's in Sinsain, Nwura, or esre.
Hectic.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think you've already said cut the grass.
Oh, yeah.
But you can just say it again for me so I can just...
Oh, so it's
cut the grass.
Changurano, which is cut the grass, or you say Chansinsaino.
Oh, nice.
Same thing.
Oh, okay.
So cha is cut. Then the whatever you're cutting will be in Sinsain or Mura or Esere. Then you put the no to specify that this, as in that specific thing.
Oh, okay. And then we have rope.
Rope. Rope is ahuma.
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 Ahuma. Okay.
Like weird nose opens. Ahuma is nose. Yes.
Okay.
I mean, it's rope, not nose. Sorry. Ahuma is his rope, not nose. I might get into trouble. Ahuma is rope. Rope.
It's okay.
Rope.
Don't worry, I'm here to learn.
Okay, cool. All right, cool.
Bring me a rope.
Bring me a rope will be fa ahuma. Remember, fa is like take. So fa ahuma, bring me. So fa ahuma, bring me. So bring me a rope. Yes.
Nice. I got that one.
Okay. Okay.
And then you know the nail that you use on a wall.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's
Okay.
like
Hammer
a
it.
nail.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is that nail?
Okay.
In
A
tree.
nail in tree is dadwa.
Dadua.
Dadwa is nail. A nail in tree
Okay.
is dadwa.
And if I say take this nail.
Oh, okay, cool. Take this nail. Take this nail is J. J is like take, right? Or receive.
Okay.
Yeah. Then dadwa, yi. Yi is in this context. Yi is this.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting. And then a stone.
A stone is a ball.
A ball.
A ball.
A ball. Okay. And how do you say don't throw that stone?
Okay. And to a ball no means a ball is stone. And to is don't throw. Throw is to. And to is don't throw.
Oh.
So to is throw. Don't throw the and to.
And two.
A ball is stone. Then no is the specific one. Yeah, so and to a ball no. The one you have, yes.
Oh, okay, nice. And this last one I also had it. Ching ching. Get money in the bag. Ching ching. Okay.
Yes.
So what is money?
Money is sika.
Sika. Okay.
Sika is money in tree.
So if you want to say I have a lot of money.
You'd say miwo. Miwo, I have.
Miwo.
Sika, which is money. Bebre, which is a lot, or you can say P. So you can say miwo sika bebre or miwo sika P.
Miko.
Miwo.
Miwo sika bebre.
Bebre means I have a lot of money. Or miwo sika P, which is I have a lot of money.
Sika bebre.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it for
cool.
me. I actually don't have anything
that
more
was
on
actually
my
a lot.
list. Really?
Yeah. Well, I hope, because there are 10 things and 10 sentences. So I hope people out there actually appreciate the stuff that you actually jotted down. Then they'll learn from it, something from it. And remember, if you need anything, like a few of the people that I see now are sending me stuff in the comment section. So just write whatever you need me to translate. Either it will be it on the subject that I just gave on, or whatever you want to know. Just write in the comment section. Then chances are my next video I'll actually say it out so you know how to pronounce it, and I'll probably respond on the fly so you know how it's actually written, right? Quarantine, stay safe, stay indoors. It's not about you, it's about the next person. Let's help wherever we can. Then with the app, with Tree Junior Pro, go download it on the App Store with that and this channel. You learn the language quicker. And what else?
Yeah, and don't forget to wash everything that you actually buy.
Oh yeah.
Or like to wipe down every single item that you buy from the grocery shop, just in case someone sneezed on it or spat on it. Just to keep yourself safe. And yeah.
All right, guys, be safe. From us, you see, I guess, again in the next video.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.